Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this out of frame profile photo edit on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to grab this photo real quick, and I'm just going to just make it a little bit smaller, and I'm going to copy and paste that. So go to mask and select any shape that you want, maybe this circle shape. Then select this one and go and select the circle shape again. And hold on, actually you need to go to cutout first, and then you need to go to auto cutout, and then go to mask and then select circle, and then you're just going to circle out this part so it looks like it's coming out of the frame. I'm just going to scale it up a little bit. Then if you want to, you can add it on top like this. You can add like a border around that. So just like any color that you want, for instance this blue one, go to mask and select circle again and create like a frame underneath that. Here you can just simply change colors by pressing the replace clip like so. And that is pretty much it. Really super simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!